Yeah, let's see if we can do that. All right, let's go.
Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We have another mod for you today on the 2013 Dodge Charger. We're going to put on some decals today, and we already have it marked off. So we're going to show you what we are going to get into. Okay, for this project today, we're going to use, here are the decals that we're going to put on the car, and it's going to go on the back of the quarter panels on the driver's side and passenger side. All you need is these decals that you're going to put on here, some painter's tape, and a Sharpie, so you can mark off different sections that you're going to do. All right, let's get to it. First off, we have we got some painter's tape that we're going to use to mark where we're going to start the position of the decal. And we already got it marked off with a marker between the two lines of where we want the decal to go. I want it to be right up under where the gas thing is, because the thing is, you want to start on this side because on the other side you don't have a gas cap. So on this side you have the gas cap, so you want to start with this side first so you can make the other side duplicate what you have on this side. So once we put this on the other side, on the passenger side, we're going to duplicate what we did on that side. Now that we done marked off the place where we're going to put everything, let's go ahead and start getting the decals placed where they're going to be. Okay. We're going to peel the back of off. So all we have is the letters, but then we're going to put the letters on the car, and then I'll show you how we're going to go from there. So let's pull the back off, and then I'll show you what we're going to do after that. Now the key here is to, now that we didn't place the one on the other side, I used a piece of painter's tape to go from the bottom of the crease here up to the bottom of the letter on the other side. When I cut that piece, I took it and I used it over here on this side. So that gave me a marker from the H to the bottom. Now I know that they are totally even. They are between the brackets of the line there. And then you want to make sure that it is totally straight with the car. Now we can start peeling. I can't peel with one hand and hold the camera, so I'll show you what I've done after I get through. What I'm doing here is peeling off the back very slowly, and as I peel off the back, I am smoothing out the letters on the car. If you see, if you have letters that are peeling back like this, just smooth it back onto the wax paper and keep going as you go. Try not to have wrinkles. It's fine if the wrinkles are in this part that you're not doing, but make sure there's no wrinkles in your letters that you press into the card. Now that you got the letters in place, kind of press hard, make sure they are smooth, and don't allow them, you know, if you got creases, pick it up, but smooth out the letters and then start peeling back really slowly. If you peel back fast, the letters are going to catch onto the adhesive tape that they were on. So peel back really slow. Any imperfections, press in as you go. And there you have it. Now let's check out the end result. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification bell so you can get all the latest content that we are doing on this channel. The Charger decal came out very nice. We have more mods to do for this car, so please stay tuned. And as always, keep cruising with Christ.